Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey, and Daytona, Florida. So Lewis, from a company called The Electrical Connection in Knoxville, Tennessee, reached out to me. Lewis specializes in making parts for Goldwing, Honda Goldwing motorcycles, amongst other things. So one of the challenges on the Goldwings since day one have been the fact that they come with small speakers. They come with 4-inch speakers. The older ones came with 3-inch speakers in the back, 4-inch speakers in the front. The newer one comes with 4-inch speakers front and rear. And then not only are they 4-inch, they're actually like 4.5-inch, so a typical 4-inch doesn't fit. Then when you're on the highway doing 80, 4-inch speakers just aren't going to do it for you. So on the 18 and newer Goldwings, we've been modifying the front pod. So you cut the face off the front pod, you mold an adapter on and convert it and drop in a 5 1/4. So we've been doing really well with the Cicada CXX 5 1/4 and the CHX 5 1/4. But he came out with a pod. The other problem with doing that is the plastic that the factory uses is really, really thin. So you have to sound deaden it. There's not a lot of room to add sound deadener in the fairing. I love it when other companies innovate solutions and then they do a good job and it's a quality piece. That way we could save time on research development. Here at NVS Audio, we specialize in Harley Davidsons. We're equipped for Harley Davidson. We fabricate for Harley Davidson. We've designed a bunch of stuff for Harley Davidson. When it comes to Indian motorcycles, reach out to Davidson Audio. He is our go-to guy for everything Indian. And when it comes to Goldwings, I reach out to either Lewis or Jay Ford at Custom Wings. Lewis built an awesome pod that allows you to put a 6.5-inch in the front with 0 modification to the bike. The kit comes together. It's a solid kit. It's well designed. The pod's ready dentin. The plastic is like 4 times thicker than the factory plastic, so you get a lot less resonance in the pods. And honestly, they bolted in place in a few minutes and lined up perfectly. We had a small issue where we had to grind the sides of the pod because the speaker grills were touching when they went back together, but I'm talking literally 2-minute fix, and I'm sure it's something he's going to address in the future. And it also depends what speaker we used. So these pods literally went back together like factory parts. He has a rubber grommet in the bottom. Comes with all stainless steel hardware. Like, the install literally took us minutes after taking the bike apart. And then the part that I like to boast is after the pods were they bolt into the frame of the bike. After the pods were bolted in, I grabbed the pod and I was literally able to shake the bike back and forth. That's how secure these pods bolt into the bike. He did a great job. I'm glad he reached out to me when he made these. I believe they're $249 a pair, and I'm definitely going to be using them from now on, because now we can get a 6.5 in the front instead of a 5 1/4. Get more sound, speaker can handle a little bit more power, and there's a lot of options for 6.5s. There's really not a lot of good options for 5 1/4 weatherproof motorcycle speakers. There's definitely a lot more 6.5-inch options, but here, check it out. I'm going to put a link to his website, and I'm going to show you the install step-by-step. We used these on Sebastian's bike as a prototype. Sebastian rode down from Canada. He's in Nova Scotia, and then we'll post his video of the full build in the next couple of days. But check out the build. Thank you, Lewis, for bringing these to my attention. Great job. Check it out. All right, this is the factory pod. We're going to remove the metal bracket. We're going to remove the factory pod. And hopefully be able to squeeze these bad boys in there. So the pods are good quality. It took me a minute to figure out which side is which, but the grommet hole for the wires obviously goes on the bottom, so the pod is going to go on the right hand side. The pod's been heated, so it clears this bar here. So we have a mount here and a mount on top. So if you slide it in, it's going to be one bolt hole there that lines up on the bottom. And then the top bracket lines up. It's kind of hard to see. It lines up right there to that bracket right there. That one. So this is the hardware that's included. Let's get it bolted in place. I'm really impressed with the quality of the pod. They're in there solid. One bolt there, one bolt on the top. And then we just grabbed Cicada CX 6.5 and it dropped right in. So we're gonna grab another speaker, see what else fits. I know the Hertz SX is gonna drop right in. But really good job on the pods. They're really in there. Like, look at that. That thing's solid. Hertz SX 165, also a drop-in fit. Cicada CXX, perfect fit. Cicada CHX, perfect fit. I didn't think it would fit, but it does. Cicada CH fits. Speakers are installed. We chose to go with the CXX. Pods are fitting perfectly.